Hey Nebraska, my name's Chris Cantrell. I'm the State Fire Marshal and Chief Boiler Inspector. Today we're releasing two new videos about the boiler inspection program. One is the boiler installation notice form tutorial and the other is the boiler clearance waiver request tutorial. I hope you take a couple minutes, watch these videos, learn from them, and then by doing so, you'll be able to submit these forms more easily and more efficiently, and then down the road, we'll have fewer violations written on these two very important topics in Nebraska. So please watch the videos, give us feedback if you have any, and learn something new. Be safe, Nebraska. Let's talk about the boiler installation notice form. This form must be submitted for every boiler that's installed in Nebraska, and it must be submitted 10 days prior to the unit being installed or ready for inspection. To find this form, go to www.sfm.nebraska.gov, and then click on the Divisions tab, and then click on Mechanical Safety. In the middle of the Mechanical Safety page, you will see a link for the boiler installation notice. Click on that link. A new tab will open in your browser that contains the boiler and pressure vessel installation notice. We will not go through the entire form in this tutorial, but please note that the form does indicate that you will need certain information in order to get this filled out and submitted. Please remember to fill out and submit this form 10 days before you'll be ready for inspection. When this is not done, you will need to fill out the reason why in this remarks section. I also want to make sure that you know when you submit this form, you can receive a copy of it by selecting Yes here, and then entering your email address here. We need your help in getting these boiler installation notices filled out and turned in 10 days ahead of inspection. By doing so, we avoid having to issue violations, so it helps us, it helps you, and it helps your clients. Be safe, Nebraska.